Hi YouTube. Have any of you been having AMD problems? Like your PC keeps on crashing, but you couldn't figure out what the hell is doing. So you probably reinstalled, you've changed certain components, only to find out that it still gives you this blue screen of death. Well, I recently went through the same problem, and I found out it happens to be my AMD Catalyst control. And to get the graphics card to work without the drivers is actually a problem, so I had to figure out how to do this by myself. Okay, what you need to do first of all though is I'm advising you to first go to, just type into your Google, but I got this over overclock.net, how to remove all the AMD/ATI drivers. It's a very good step-by-step tutorial, which is very great, of removing every single drive off your PC. Don't use the one that AMD gives you, because they have software that does so, but I did it on my last installation and it removed my USB drivers and everything else, and so nothing worked and I couldn't get anything back to work, so I was resorted to do a fresh installation. So I would not suggest doing that. Once you've done so, reboot your PC. If you do so though, if you go to control panel, or you're just doing this off a fresh installation, you're going to notice that the display driver here is going to say VGA card, but it's like a basic VGA card. It doesn't recognize which VGA card it is, and because of that you won't be able to run any Direct 11 games or watch videos without them being pixelated. So you need to go to the AMD website. I have the 7970, so I'm going to be using the 1.41, sorry, I mean the 14.4 driver, which came out just last month. Now, once you do so, you download it. I've already done that, so I don't need to do that again. And then you go to the folder it's been downloaded to, which is most likely your downloads folder. But what you need to do now is you need to have 7-zip or any program that you can use to extract files. So with 7-zip, I extract the folder. I can do that again for you guys. So extract, yes to all. It's only saying yes to all because I've already extracted it before. I should have just deleted the folder for this video, but hey. Once it does that, you'll find the folder here. You need to go back to Device Manager. And because you don't want to install the Catalyst control unit, because that is what actually crashes it, not the actual driver, but the control unit in its entirety, you right click here, say Update Software. There you say Browse my computer for drivers. Don't use the automatic update because it won't find anything for you. Then you go to the Browse, select the folder, so downloads or contacts, whatever, downloads, and then you find the folder which is right here. Then you click on OK. For this, just so you guys see what happens, I'm going to use a beta drive. I don't like it. It's not stable, so I'll roll it back after this video, but fine. This is the beta drive, so I say OK on this. And then you say Next. Now, it's now going to search through the folder, and then it's going to find the drivers. So like you can see, it's now installing the software drivers. Okay, taking longer than I expected, but fine.